Very cool, very cool.
Yeah. What are you up to? Just working?
Yeah, working my ass off.
Oh, well, that's good. You know, supporting our Social Security.
Here are the ornates. It's they've got some chopped fruit and some chicken. And it's so funny watching them go for the bone, because a little bit ago, this girl right here, Big Sis, she was taking the bone and traveling all over the enclosure with it. They can't crack the bone with their beaks. They're not big enough turtles, strong enough beaks to do that. So the bone gives them a good workout to keep their beaks trimmed down. And everything is doused with calcium and vitamin D, so it balances out the nutrients in the meat. Oh, there, look. He went into his thing with it. He's like, mine. This is mine. Here, Big Sis. They're so funny. Here, have some strawberry. Have some strawberry. Anyway, kind of a crappy video, but I just wanted to catch it because these guys crack me up so much. Okay. Let's see if I can get anybody else. Oh, there's big old Bendy. You probably can't see it. It's probably too dark. This is Emmett. It's a little, very young ornate. He's chowing down on his stuff. And here is Louie, chowing down on his. He usually stops eating when he sees a camera coming. Okay, bye-bye.